What's up, everyone? Happy Easter. Welcome back to another vlog. It's not gonna be Easter when I post this, but it's Easter today, so hope y'all have a good Easter, chilling with your families and shit. But right now, starting off in the Miata, gotta go to the stores. I'm gonna go to AutoZone right now to pick up a slave cylinder. Then I'm gonna go hit Pep Boys for a starter. Oliver's getting that for me, so yeah, bring y'all along and see y'all when I get there. Yo, starter and slave cylinder acquired. We got Julio over there. He's just kind of staring at me. Dirty ass bitch. But we back. I'm going home now. Welcome back. It's been a few hours. Basically what I did was I put the starter in and the clutch master in. I don't have the fitting to put the clutch line in yet, so I had to order that. Got that from Amazon. It's gonna be here tomorrow, so it's probably gonna be like a 2-part vlog or a 2-day vlog. I'm gonna do that tomorrow just so you guys can see that. But right now, what I'm about to do is I have my pillar pod for my gauges, and this is the original pillar pod for the car. I'm gonna drill out the holes so I can put these through here and then get the lines routed for the gauges. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so here it is, all put together, rigged up. I'm gonna show you the back in a second, but pretty much drilled the holes and then put those things there, and then have the screws and then put those through, and then bottom screws. It's a little misaligned, but that goes into the dash. That'll be okay. So let me show you what I did in the back. Don't mind the fat gaping hole. It's because I need to get that sensor right there through, which kind of sucked, but that's fine. But then I have 2 nice drilled holes for the water temp sensor right there, and then AFR needed those 2. I can't point with this. 1 and 2. Yeah, so there's that. I'm gonna put this back into the car right now, so put you guys down and show you. Okay, so this is how we looking like right now. Have all the wires ran through right there. They're all coming out the bottom, just fish them out. So this is what it looks like before I put that back into place. So I'm gonna do that right now and show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I actually had to get rid of the 2 screws that were on the bottom, if y'all remember where they were down there, because you know they were kind of fat. I should have put these flush ones there, but I didn't. But you know, I was too lazy to do it. So yeah, everything's ran. Those wires are pretty much just gonna chill there for now until, you know, I have the rest of the wiring situated, because I'm gonna be tapping these into the main wiring harness, just so everything's cleaner, because you know I'm going for a tucked bay look. I ordered a tucked harness because I sold my OEM one for a good price, so we're gonna be doing that. I'm about to hook up these 2 now, the boost gauge and the oil pressure gauge. But let me show you guys something real quick. Grab the wiring for these. So, the previous owner kind of chopped the power wire and the ground wire really stupid. So I'm gonna rewire these real quick. Not gonna show you guys because, you know, if you bought a new one, then you know you don't need to do all this, but I'm gonna do it because I bought a used one because I was kind of feeling cheap. But yeah, as you see, like, he just took the 2 power wires and completely just made them super short for whatever reason. So I'm gonna do this real quick, and then I'm gonna plug them into the back and get these bolted down because this is loose right now. So yeah, I'll be right back. Well, extended the wire nice and long now. Have a protector over, no, focus. All right, it's not gonna focus. The moral of the story is I got a nice protector right here protecting where the incision was made to make the 2 wires. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in the car now. Okay, both these are plugged in to the gauges. To show you what gauges I have again, oil pressure and boost gauge. Oil pressure line, hopefully it makes it behind the dash into that side of the motor. And then boost, I'm probably gonna have my boost controller inside the car along with all like the vacuum hoses and stuff. So I'm not too concerned about where this makes it, but yeah, I'm gonna route these right now. Okay, so next update, this is in solid. Well, not solid, but solid enough. There's only 2 screws holding it in. I don't know why there's no bottom screws, but that's done. All the wiring is just chilling underneath right now. I'm just gonna clean it up off camera because I'm not 1000% sure where everything's gonna go. I know like I said, the oil pressure sensor's right here because that's gonna run underneath through the grommet. I know, where's the boost? This is the boost one. Like I said, this is probably gonna be inside. I'm not sure if it's gonna be near the ECU or on this side because the turbo's on this side. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I know all the power wires, I think I'm gonna link them up together. I'm not too sure where. And then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put them all to the 12 volt over here, just right, not inside of it, but hardwire it to the back, because that's typically the easiest way to, you know, power something. Just put it to a 12 volt because it's off when the car's off and on when the car's on. So yeah, gonna do that now. Okay, time for another update. I have the oil pressure sensor right there. It's a little dark, sorry about that, but I have it running through the hole down here and it's connected there. And if we come over to this side, you can see I have the coolant temp sensor right there. The routing of it is not permanent for now because the downpipe still needs to come here, but this is where it's coming out of, this hole right here. It is super dark and y'all can't see, but I'm sorry, but that's where it's coming from. And if we go back inside of the car, the only 2 sensors I have just chilling right now is the boost and the AFR. Those are just gonna sit there for now until I figure out what I want to do with them, or what I'm mostly trying to say is when the build is closer to being done, because I don't know where things are going to be. Like those 2 over there are not permanent. The oil pressure one's pretty permanent, but the coolant temp sensor one, that might move around like I said. Right now what I'm trying to do is I have all of the power wires right here, all 4 of them, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to merge them together into one, probably like right here, and then hook it up to the 12 volt wires right here. So I'm gonna do that now and get back to you guys later. What's good, everyone? Next day. Got late and dark last night, so I just finished. Yo, what is in my eye? Oh my god. I finished up everything really quick. I gotta go to work right now, so that's when I'm on the way. So I'm probably gonna go back to work on the car a little bit when I get off for lunch, because I think my clutch fitting is gonna be there for the sleeve. Oh, I'm bouncing. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get back over there and probably show you guys what I did with the wiring. So see you all in like 8 hours. Yo, welcome back. I'm on break right now for work, but my package delivered, so I decided to just come home for the hour and do what I gotta do. So got the fitting right here, AEM side, other side for the clutch master. I'm gonna put this in right now and hook up the clutch line and start gravity bleeding it. Probably gonna bleed it more later when Julio comes. So yeah. Oh, and I'll also show you guys the wiring once I do this. So yeah, so I got the wrong fitting again. Had to order another one. I got 4AN and I thought it was 3. No, I bought a 4AN because I thought it was 4AN, but it's a 3AN, so it doesn't work. So I just have to order another one. And you know what? Hopefully it's correct this time, because you know that one was what, $8? Now I just have to buy another $8 one. So that's $16 right there. Oh well. I'll show you guys the wiring right now. Okay, so I'm not sure if I showed you guys in a previous clip, but basically these are the 2 lines that are left right now. One for the AFR and one for the other pressure sensor. And then if you look right here, we have all of the power wires. I basically have them, let's see, I have two merged right here at this electrical tape, and then I have these over here, which are vampire clipped together into the one right here. And this one wire is ran into the 12 volt wiring right there. So that's basically all there is. When I start routing these, I'll make an update video on that. But that's pretty much it for the wiring. You know, just to recap, just merged all of them together into one single wire, but the one single wire into the 12 volt. Before I put it into the 12 volt, I got two wires and just put them to the battery and make sure the gauges turned on, and they did. So yeah, that's all done.